Okay, be honest with me. How many times have you searched for ways to make money online and just found a bunch of garbage? Start a multi-level marketing business. Become a dropshipping guru. Invest in crypto. It all feels like it requires money to make money. Right? And if you're watching this, you might be starting from zero. Maybe you're even a little bit broke. Broke? We get it. I've been there. And that's why today, we're cutting through the noise. We're talking about 3 genius, actionable ways to make real money, even if your bank account is currently sitting at zero. These methods leverage what you already have, your time, your energy, and your brain. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear path to your first, or next, paycheck. Let's dive in. 1. The skill for hire gig. The first method is the fastest way to turn time into cash. You are not looking for a job, you are selling a specific, tangible service. Why does this work? Because businesses and individuals are always outsourcing small tasks. They need a logo designed, an article written, a video edited, or data entered into a spreadsheet. You do not need a fancy degree for this. You just need to be competent at one thing. Here's how you start, even today. Identify your skill. Can you write a decent email? Are you okay with basic social media? That's a skill. Sign up for platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or TaskRabbit. On Fiverr, you create a gig like, I will proofread 1,000 words for $15. That's it. Your first step. Create a Fiverr/Upwork profile today. It's free. And here's the broke person's advantage. Start with low prices to get your first 5-star review. Your goal isn't to get rich on the first job, it's to build a reputation. That first review is your golden ticket. The declutter and flip hustle. Alright, method number 2 is my personal favorite because it turns your clutter, and other people's clutter, into cold, hard cash. This is the declutter and flip hustle. Why does this work? Because one person's trash is literally another person's treasure. You are becoming a micro-entrepreneur. Here's your 3-step plan. The home audit. Go through your closet, your bookshelf, your old electronics. If you haven't used it in a year, it's potential cash. The sourcing run. This is for when you've run out of your own stuff. Hit up thrift stores and garage sales. Look for high-value items, brand name clothes, vintage t-shirts, unique kitchenware, old video games. The flip. Take clear, well-lit photos. Write a good description. Sell on Facebook Marketplace for furniture, Poshmark for clothes, or eBay for everything else. Pro tip, clean items and use natural light for photos. Your first step today? I want you to go pull 5 items from your closet and list them right after this video. It costs you nothing but a little time. 3. The gig economy bridge job. Now, method 3 is for when you need money now. Like, I need to pay a bill tomorrow now. This is the gig economy bridge job. This is not a long-term dream career. It's a tool. It directly monetizes your time and your vehicle if you have one. With a car? Sign up for DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Instacart. You get paid for deliveries, plus tips. Without a car? Sign up for Rover for dog walking or TaskRabbit for local odd jobs like assembling furniture. This is a bridge, not the destination. Use it to fund your other hustles. The genius part? Use this as a temporary cash infusion. The $80 you make delivering food on a Saturday can be the seed money to buy items to flip, or to upgrade your computer for freelancing. It's a bridge to your next move. So, let's recap quickly. Skill for hire on Fiverr/Upwork. Declutter and flip on Facebook/Poshmark. Gig economy for immediate cash. Now, here is the most important part. Do not get overwhelmed trying to do all 3. The key is to pick one. Just one. The one that resonated most with you. And I want you to take the first step we talked about for that method. Today. Not tomorrow. Action creates momentum, and momentum is what pulls you out of a tough spot. If this video helped you, do me a huge favor, smash that like button and subscribe for more real-world strategies that actually work. And in the comments, tell me which one you're going to try first. Thanks for watching. Now go get that first paycheck. I believe in you.